Good morning. This is episode 139 of ISPP TV News and Run. We hope that the start of the second semester has been a fun one so far. Let's take a look at what's been going on at ISPP.
Gryffindor.
Why?
Because Harry Potter's in Gryffindor.
Okay.
Hufflepuff. Gryffindor.
Why?
Because it's a good house.
Well, I am technically looks like Hufflepuff, but I would be Gryffindor because Gryffindor has a lot of things that you can do and fun things.
Gryffindor.
Why?
Because they're the best and Harry Potter's in Gryffindor.
Gryffindor.
Yeah, Gryffindor.
Why?
Hello.
Because it's more like you get to learn more magic and stuff.
And also, they're like nice.
Yeah.
Gryffindor. Gryffindor.
Hufflepuff. Wait.
We are learning about plants. Miss Yin bought some plants and vegetables for us to look at. First, we watched the vegetable and fruits. Then we peeled the vegetable and fruits. Then after we cut the vegetable and fruits, then we cook the vegetable and fruits. Then we eat the vegetable and fruits. Well, we made a one word and we brainstormed words that were powerful to us, and then we selected one word to represent what we wanted for ourselves in 2021.
I chose determined because I'm determined to do stuff that I was too scared to do before, and I'm trying to be braver.
I chose the word discover because this year has been a lot like COVID-19, and I think I'd like to discover more about the world and how it's going because there's still a lot of mysteries about COVID and the world.
I chose confidence because in the past years I felt like I didn't really have enough confidence.
This is creative. This creative means grow and looking forward. I chose the word thoughtful because I think it's good. It's a good skill to have now in the future, and I want to think before I say or do anything.
I chose challenge because I always like a good challenge to tackle.
I chose the word shine because I want to shine. For example, in math I want to shine. I want to do my best at math.
I chose supportive because throughout the year I want to support my friends and support my family on the decisions they make and also the things that they do. There will be a poster coming on Monday, a kindness poster, and you will try to do every single kindness thing. And it's for everybody to do. And remember, Grind Kindness is on Thursday morning recess.
The guest this week was Miss Alex, a grade 4 teacher. Let's listen to find out more about our guest.
This is ISPP TV. Can you introduce yourself?
Sure. Hi, Frankie. My name is Miss Alex. I'm a grade 4 teacher. I only just arrived at ISPP 2 weeks ago, and I'm really happy to be in Cambodia.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is Italian food, especially ice cream.
Where did you work for before ISPP?
Before ISPP, I worked in Australia in a city called Brisbane, and I was at a primary school, which is what we call elementary school in Australia.
Where do you love to go for holidays?
During the holidays, I love to go to the beach or to the snow.
What are some of your hobbies?
My favorite hobbies are any sort of sport. My favorite sport is playing football, but I also really like anything outdoors. So I like to go snowboarding, I like to go hiking through the mountains or rock climbing, and I also really love to cook. So I do a lot of cooking on the weekends as well.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
The riddle last time made my brain go oink oink. Let's listen to it again.
Why can't you play basketball with pigs? The answer is because they hog the ball.
That riddle sure was a dirty one.
Good job to Miss Erica's class for sending the first correct answer.
Let's hear the new riddle now and send us your guess after the episode. This week's riddle is, what kind of fruit can you never cheer up?
Thank you for watching ISPP TV News.
Be safe, be responsible, and stay classy, ISPP.
Bye!